Hey you! Are you tired of plain old wooden trains? Is it boring to work with? Do you hate Thomas Wood? Or what about the metal take-along trains? Are you tired of them? Do you hate push-along? If you answered yes to any of these questions, then consider Tidmouth's 3D printing commissions. Made out of the wonderful material known as plastic, and thanks to some wonderful designers in the community, plus me, these 3D prints work very well for characters that would be harder to make. No cutting wood or metal needed. These fit any chassis you want, whether wooden rally or take-along. Any design that isn't readily available? I'll design it for you, for a small fee. My prices are low. For only $5, you can get wooden rally rolling stock, small take-along bodies, and loads for wooden rally freight cars. For $10, you can get small-sized wooden rally engines, larger take-along bodies, and larger wooden rally rolling stock. And for $15, you can get larger-sized wooden rally engines. My commissions have been trusted by many. Here's some satisfied customer picks. So what are you waiting for? Message me on Twitter or Discord today.